Diseases caused in children and their prevention. Let us have a look at diseases children suffer from and what can be done to prevent them. Some diseases that spread through air are common cold, whooping cough, influenza, diphtheria, measles, tuberculosis, and pneumonia. When a sick person coughs or sneezes, the disease-causing germs from his body spread into the air. When a healthy person inhales the contaminated air, he also falls ill. Let us have a look at common cold, which you must have suffered from at least once. Common cold is caused by a virus. The symptoms of common cold are a running nose, mild fever, watery eyes, a headache, body ache, and a sore throat. To prevent catching a cold, avoid contact with infected people. The infected person should cover his nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing. Let us look at whooping cough. Whooping cough is a bacterial disease often seen in children. The symptoms are brassy cough, vomiting, and watery eyes. Whooping cough can be prevented by vaccination. Pneumonia is a serious infection of the lungs. The symptoms are severe chills, high fever, rapid breathing, cough, vomiting, and chest pain. Heavy doses of antibiotics are required for its treatment. Now let us have a look at influenza, which is also called flu. The symptoms are high fever, body ache, and dry cough. One must avoid contact with a person suffering from flu. Measles is another contagious disease. The symptoms are red rashes, running nose, high fever, and cough. An MMR vaccine can prevent measles. Let us have a look at diphtheria and its symptoms and preventive measures. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the bacteria is released into the air. The symptoms are mild fever, sore throat, and swollen glands. A DPT vaccine is given to children to protect them against this disease. What about diseases which are non-communicable? Diseases like allergies, asthma, silicosis, and asbestosis. How can we prevent the above diseases and what are their symptoms? Let's find out. These diseases are caused when our body has an unfavorable reaction to certain substances, also called allergens. The unfavorable reaction, which can also be called the symptom, includes rash, boils, sneezing and swelling. Asthma is an allergic reaction to an allergen. The windpipe swells and the air passage narrows. The patient experiences difficulty in breathing. Allergies can be prevented by keeping the house dust-free, covering the nose when there is dust in the atmosphere, keeping a list of things that can cause allergies, avoiding allergens like pollen, dust, animal fur, and even strong smells. Let us do a quick recap. The symptoms of common cold are a running nose, mild fever, watery eyes, headache, body ache, and sore throat. It can be prevented by avoiding contact with infected people. The symptoms for whooping cough are brassy cough, vomiting, and watery eyes. It can be prevented through vaccination. The symptoms of influenza are high fever, body ache, and dry cough. It can be prevented by avoiding contact with infected individuals. The symptoms of measles are rash, running nose, fever, cough. The prevention is the MMR vaccine. The symptoms of diphtheria are fever, sore throat, and swollen glands. The DPT vaccine helps prevent diphtheria. The symptoms of allergies are rash, boils, sneezing, and swelling. The preventive measure is to avoid allergens. The symptoms of pneumonia are chills, fever, rapid breathing, cough, vomiting, and chest pain. High dose of antibiotics can help prevent pneumonia.